Journey to the unknown secrets of black holes. Hey there, cosmic explorers. Welcome back to Aspire Vision, where we embark on captivating journeys through the mysteries of the universe. Today, get ready to dive into the heart of darkness as we unravel the enigmatic secrets of black holes. Cracking open the cosmic puzzle. Picture a place where gravity is so powerful that not even light can escape. That's right, we're talking about black holes. These cosmic marvels emerge when massive stars reach the end of their cosmic journey. The birth of black holes. Now, here's where the stellar drama unfolds. As a star runs out of nuclear fuel, gravity takes center stage, causing a spectacular collapse. This event triggers an explosion called a supernova. If the star is incredibly massive, it gives birth to a black hole. Peering into the abyss. Observing black holes directly is no easy feat, but our ingenious astronomers have cracked the code. They detect gravitational waves, those ripples in space-time, produced during black hole mergers. And guess what? The Event Horizon Telescope even captured the first ever image of a black hole's shadow. The elegance of gravity, gravitational lensing. Now, imagine light bending around a massive object, creating a cosmic optical illusion. This phenomenon, known as gravitational lensing, is Einstein's masterpiece at play. Around black holes, it leads to mesmerizing visual distortions and multiple images of distant stars. Navigating the theories. The quest to understand black holes has sparked a galaxy of theories. From Hawking radiation, suggesting black holes emit faint radiation, to the fiery firewall paradox challenging our grasp of the event horizon's nature, scientists are deep in cosmic contemplation. The puzzles of supermassive black holes. But what about supermassive ones? These giants inhabit galactic centers, their origin still a cosmic puzzle. Could rapid matter accumulation or primordial black hole formation hold the key? The universe keeps us guessing. The curious case of spaghettification. Brace yourselves for the peculiar process of spaghettification. As objects approach black holes, tidal forces stretch them into bizarre shapes. It's as if spaghetti rules the cosmos. Your noodles have never felt so cosmic. Bending time, a journey through ages. Black holes even play with time itself. As you venture closer to their event horizon, time slows down. Atomic clocks in orbit have verified this fascinating phenomenon, blurring the lines between science and science fiction. Unveiling the exotic. Buckle up for the world of exotic matter. Negative energy density might unlock wormholes and space-time manipulation. While it's still theoretical, the potential applications are mind-blowing, giving science fiction a run for its money. The puzzle of information. The black hole information paradox. Talk about a cosmic riddle. Quantum mechanics and general relativity collide in this mystery. The universe seems to keep its secrets close, leaving us pondering the fate of information within black holes. Your cosmic queries question. And now, let's answer some of your burning questions about black holes. Our cosmic odyssey continues. And there you have it, fellow space adventurers. Our journey into the unknown depths of black holes has been nothing short of spectacular. Remember, as we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos, every discovery opens up new realms of understanding.